Hello friends, my name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you that how you can blur anything on your YouTube video by using Filmora 11. So just to blur anything by Filmora, you have to open Filmora. Then you have to import the video. I will import this video. See here. Suppose I want to blur these many applications. I have to blur these many applications. So what you have to do? You have to click on effects button. Here in Filmora you will be here at media. At the top you have to find a button in where it's written effects like this. You have to click on that. And now what you have to do? Here you have to scroll down, and then you will find an option of utility. This one, you have to click on that, and now here search for blur. When you will in effects utility, you will search for blur. You will get so many types of blur. Like see this blur. This would look like this. This is the proper blur. This is a square blur. This is not a blur. Okay, this is blur. Hello friends. Let it download. But the original blur is this one. This is mosaic. This one. So you have to import it. You have to click on that, and you have to import it like this. So you have to drag here and do it here. And then as you can see, a blur is there. Here, blur is here. I could click on here. I could extend the size. I could even move where I want to blur. Or let's suppose I want to increase this blur length. I want this blur for whole video or any selected part only. Then you have to drag it from here. You will get a button. As you can see, a type of button is there. You can decrease the size, you can increase. Like this, you can increase the size. As you can see, every time there will be blur, as you can see. So if you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's 100% free, and if you don't like my content, you can unsubscribe later. So bye bye.